In this video, I will show you how to add a task within ClickUp. So let's get started. So once you are in your ClickUp dashboard, just go to add a task over here. So you see this little rocket icon, then tap on add a task. Alright, you can also tap right here. Okay, so tap on this little plus button right there to create a new task. Now give this task a name. For example, feature A. Then you can tap on next, or you can also change this, so you can give this, you can set this task in a specific list, just like this. For example, product v2, just like so, and then you can tap on next. Then you can set a due date, just select a random date you want, just like this. And then you can set a priority for this specific task, for example, high, and then you can add tasks. As you can see, it creates task button to add your task to the list. All right, now you can tap on create task, and now the task is added, as you can see. So the only thing is left to do is to close them, and as you can see, now we have added a task to our list. So it's very easy, very straightforward, and to add a new task, just tap on new right there, and that is it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.